The next item in our 20 calorie HT line is our AMP2 20 HT. This is a 20 calorie nanoparticle face shield that has a universal attachment that works both on slotted and non-slotted helmets. This product has the same features and benefits of the AMP1 that we showed you earlier, the adjustable pivots. It has the nanoparticle face shield, and it has this extended chin protector that is a polished optical quality so that you can look through it both for picking up your tools or for, if you're on a ladder, being able to see your feet. The combination of these materials gives you the best possible visual acuity, ability to see all colors, the best peripheral vision that's possible in a 20 calorie arc shield.